What's up, YouTube? We are back with another video today for you guys. Today we are doing a mukbang, a try bang, or whatever you want to call it. That's going to be our first time trying mochi.
Yep.
Which is a Taiwanese dessert. I think I'm saying that right. Hopefully I am. We've never tried them before. They're really squishy, and I'm really weird with how things feel in my mouth. So before we get into this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I just want to say thank you, P, for Prissy P to you guys, but P to us. Thank you for suggesting this beforehand. Afterwards, sis, I don't know how I'm going to feel about this. So, you guys, this is the box. We got it from the Korean market in Charleston when we went to vlog, right?
Yep.
Yeah, so you guys saw us in the market, but you didn't see what we got. So this is one of the things that we got. Another thing that we got will be coming up in our next video. So, I'm not excited about this. And it's taro milk flavors. So, okay. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to get the first one. Okay, you ready? Look at that. Can you guys see that? That's what that looks like. Look at that. Okay.
Oh, whoa. This thing smells kind of like chocolatey.
Okay.
It's kind of sweet. This is like really like gummy, like as consistency.
I'm trying hard to throw up. Oh my god. Ew. Okay. The flavor is not bad, but you can't see. You gotta bring it back soon.
Is that egg or what? What is this?
I don't know. I think it's milk.
It's not nasty. I could eat like one of them.
Ew, I don't like this. Maybe we should got like strawberry or something.
It's like the more you look at it, you really wonder what it is. Like, what is this?
Ugh. I need something to drink. What is that? I want to see. I got like, it tasted kind of like cinnamon. It wasn't like extremely sweet at all. It's a dessert, obviously. It's not a dessert that I would look forward to. I think some people
think about it. Oh.
It took me a long time to swallow that first bite. It spent like almost 5 minutes, and it took me. I don't think I would do this again. Like it's very squishy and like gummy on the outside, and then on the inside, I don't know, man. I couldn't do that.
It's like freaky. It kind of looks like a pig foot. Like the skin on the outside of it. That's why I was just like. Whoa.
And it's powder on the outside, like confectioner's sugar. Kelsha, what are you doing? I don't think they want to see that.
I was just trying to see what was in the inside of it.
I don't think they want to see that though. That's not appetizing at all, you guys. And I think it's some type of jelly. Hopefully you guys can see that. I think it's some type of jelly on the inside of it. So that's basically what the inside of this mochi roll looks like. And like I said, this flavor is taro milk.
What would you give it, like on a scale from 1 to 10 flavor wise? I'll give it like a 7 or 8.
On a what?
I'll give it like a 7 or 8. Like
On a scale of 10?
Yeah, the flavor was good. It was sweet to me. I liked it.
Okay.
Just not like the gumminess.
Yeah. Like I said, maybe my rating is probably like a 3.
Oh.
Just because it didn't taste bad. The texture, I mean, it didn't taste great, but the texture of it really messed me up. Wow. What? Eat the whole thing. Eat the whole thing. I dare you.
You dare me?
Mm-hmm. I dare you.
Yo.
I dare you to eat the whole thing. Oh my god, you're gonna throw up. Let's see if you eat it. Okay, you guys, before Kausha blows the load, we're going to make sure that we see you guys tomorrow. Make sure that you're looking forward to the video that we have coming up next, another item from the Korean store. This is crazy. Maybe we should have tried strawberry or chocolate or Oh my gosh. Well, she couldn't eat a whole one. I ate one bite. I didn't think that was pretty good. I maybe we'll try that in a different flavor. As far as this flavor goes, it's a no for me. So make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. We appreciate it. We love you guys. And most of all, make sure that you turn our notifications on so that when we post a new video, you know it. Thank you guys for watching. We love you guys. And until the next time.